Hello guys, so today on this one I am doing it's a deep edge canvas, the box canvas. So I'm doing a modified bloom on this one, but I'm using a different pillow. The pillow is called Mulberry Crush. I'll show you how it looks. Close look to it. It looks like this. It's kind of purplish one. So putting pillow in the middle. So I'm doing in the middle, and it's a nice thick pillow. I just stirred it, but I can't see any bubbles. Hoping not many bubbles. Just going to put a little bit in the middle more and try to tilt it so I can get spread over. Actually, I'm going to leave it to tilt, or I'll do it at the end. Just going to spread with this a little bit, just like this. So what I'm doing, I'm going to put some Emerald TLP. If you haven't seen my TLP mix yet, the video, the tutorial how I mix my TLPs, pigments, I'll leave the link in the description box so you can have a look there. So what I'm doing a bloom, modified bloom, kind of flower. So just putting this one here. And one here. And one more there. Just then. And just using my black CA activator a tiny bit. Oops, quite a lot there. And just going to blow it. That's it. I just leave it there while I do my next step. So what I got Mother Red Arteza Rose, sorry, Mother Rose. It's kind of red, but it's really nice color. When it gets tilted, it changes the color. It's kind of gets pinkish. Syrah, which is matched with the pillow. My favorite TLP. It's going on top there. The next one is Ballet Slippers. It's going on the top of Syrah. And the last paint is going to be, this is Precious Gold Iridescent from Pebeo brand. So it's going down. And activator. It's time to glue now. I'm just going to wait until it comes in the middle. I have gone too far there, but I'm hoping when it tells it's going to mix up. So the next step I'm doing is I'm using my back point of the paintbrush, and I'm going to start making a shape of the leaf first. So just going like this. Just bring that one this way. I'm going to leave that one as it is, not bringing that way. Next one is this one. What I do, I'm going to get it done just like this. And that looks okay, I don't need to do that. Alright, so next one is flower. So what I'll do a little spur in the middle, just like this. And it's lovely cells popping here and there. So I do the 5 petals. So 1, that's 2, and that's 2 done. I need to do 3, so 1 there. Yeah, should be alright. 1 a little bit bigger. And I'm going to start from here. And what I do, just bring it out a little bit, just like this. And start from there, so here. And what's that? I don't want to mess up, otherwise I could have just, you can start from here to the bottom, to the end and do it, but I want to keep this shape, So I'm going to leave it, and now it's time to tilt. I did say I didn't see any bubbles, but I can see some there. I just might have to wait a little bit until it comes in the middle here, the paint. And meantime, I can just pop the bubble if I can find my toothpick. It's hard to find stuff in my home sometimes. My studio, I mean. Oh, I can't find it. I don't want to go to get it from there, so I do. Let me just pop the bottom of that. I'm just doing on a pillow, not doing it to the paint. I'm just starting to tilt now, spin now, and see how it goes. Now, just do other side, because don't want to lose this bit here. Oops, almost lost that one. I tilt with the hand. Don't lose it. It's going to give a little touch up so you can come down. Okay, so this is how my flower looks now, and I think I'm going to leave as it is before I messed up. So thank you guys for watching, and I will give you another close look to this beautiful modified flower. Thank you for watching.